In this use case, we are interested in looking for a specific type of CVE, entity file, tag CVE, -2020, -1472. CVE 2020-1472, known as zero logon. Let's see this file for example. Here, we see the detections of this file and some Yara rules that match. In the Behavior tab, we find the analysis of the behavior of this malware from various sandboxes, for example, JujuBox. Here, we find details such as network communication, file system actions, registry action, etc. Here, you can find the entire report or download the PCAP file. Clicking on this icon, we can visually see the relationships in VT graph. We see that it is similar to many other files detected as malicious. It is communicating with an IP from the United States. If we expand, we see that there are more files detected communicating with the same IP. On the other hand, we can see that an IP address from Korea was found after analyzing the string of the file. These are just some of the details that VirusTotal offers us. Besides that, we have access to this information and more through VTAPI, or download the file for further study offline.